The biomedical research and development landscape has changed dramatically in recent years, with a greater focus on bringing the most promising diagnostic techniques, treatments, and therapies more quickly than ever before to the marketplace and to the patients who need them. Recognizing this trend, in 2015, Albany Medical College embarked on a new enterprise, something very different from anything that had been done before in the nearly 200-year history of the medical school. But in a very short time, the Biomedical Acceleration and Commercialization Center, the BACC, has distinguished itself as an important and exciting chapter in our proud history. The BACC was created to help entrepreneurs to develop and commercialize breakthrough biotechnologies, to improve patient care and promote economic growth. At the BACC, they could refine their technology and business skills and connect with researchers, physicians, and patients.
Shortly after being hired, with my conversations with the CEO at Albany Med, Jim Barber, it was clear that we needed a short and a long-term goal for business development. And I took 6 months and really studied the region. So I read old economic development reports that were done by both the feds and the state that showed this region very ripe to be a hub of biotech. When the thought was for Albany Medical College to be that hub of biotechnology, it was a risk, okay? A calculated risk, but it was a risk. And physicians and clinicians spend each and every day mitigating risk.
So when Kevin talked to me about the BACC, the idea was, how can we take ideas, whether they're in the lab or software ideas or equipment or medical devices, and accelerate from the bench to the bedside? And the college has a history of doing that, and this really is the engine that'll make that run faster.
Since the BACC officially opened, it has been sought out by dozens of innovative companies and entrepreneurs to explore partnerships. Today, there are 7 promising companies and 3 affiliates working in the BACC, with plans to expand.
Prax Biotechnology is a company we founded. We aim at developing a better treatment for skin disease called rosacea. It is a very common disease. Over 16 million Americans suffer from this disease, but there is no cure. We had no training to think about commercialization path. We had no expertise in that, and we didn't know even where to begin. And there are many things that we didn't know, and that the BACC helped us realize and to move much quicker. The BACC was absolutely instrumental to develop a partnership between Praxis Biotechnology and pharmaceutical labs. 503B FDA-approved pharmacy that is the one that manufactures our medication.
Sama Health evolved from meaningful use stage 2 attestation work that we did here at Albany Med, and it was during that time period that we heard from patients and family members, what can we get access to right now? What information can we have? And how can we communicate with our care teams? The BACC is critical to creating a regional biomedical commercialization hub. With the contacts and the people here, we can find a connection to the greater healthcare community.
Part of the frustration for the patient and the family members to be in the hospital is they had no way of knowing what was going on, what was their plan of care. They usually had to wait for either the doctor or the nurse to come in the room and tell them what was going on. But when Sama Health gave us this app, they were able to go in and see in real time what was being ordered, what questions they had, and if they didn't understand something, it was an immediate platform for the patient to be able to communicate their question.
It was a very empowering moment to be able to take charge of your care, be able to ask a question when it came to your mind, and then knowing someone was going to read it and get back to you. I mean, it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. It's exactly what an academic medical center should be doing. I mean, the interaction between patient care and education and research, this is really cutting edge and really takes that patient-centered care to the next level.
In just 3 short years, the BACC has received more than $1 million in government funding and was approved to be part of Governor Andrew Cuomo's Startup New York program, one of the first private colleges in New York State selected to receive this funding.
Since receiving the New York State Certified Business Incubator designation, the BACC has done a terrific job at supporting entrepreneurs and innovators focused on biomedical devices and products.
Additionally, Albany Medical College was awarded $400,000 from New York State to support a collaborative project with nearby Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute.
Rensselaer has had a long-standing relationship with Albany Med. The notion was, how do we bring together Albany Med's expertise in the area of healthcare and patient care with our ability to solve problems with science, technology, engineering, and math. Working with faculty, with students, patients, people that are on the front lines in how we deliver solutions to change the quality of life. That's powerful. The BACC is transformational because it integrates engineering, science, technology, and math with human health.
Increasingly, faculty and medical leaders have been becoming more entrepreneurial. Now we're finding increasingly that physicians are coming here with ideas, innovative strategies, devices, and are looking for opportunities to develop those at the center.
The BACC is a necessity in this region if we are going to continue to diversify economic development here. It's really important. There's always been defined as a need that we get into life sciences and biodevices, biomedical engineering, but we at Albany Medical Center and the college sit as the center of this hub that's really critical to drive that diversity, to drive that economic development. So I think we're a necessity for the region and frankly for the state. Although we are 3 years in, we're really a startup. And so strategically, you know, the world is our oyster. There's a lot of programs that we have on the horizon. It's a matter of matching up the needs of the college and the center with the region and making sure that we address those needs.
Not only is the BACC helping the startups of today and helping grow the region's economy, but it's now creating a pipeline of future entrepreneurs through the BACC Academy, a partnership between Albany Medical College and Siena College. Notably, the BACC Academy's second class included engineering and nursing professors who are learning about biomedical entrepreneurship to engender that mindset in their students.
The BACC Academy is a game changer. You know, I've been on the faculty here for a long time. I know how to get money out of the funding agencies. I know how to do the research. But now we're talking about setting up a company. That's a different set of skills, a different mindset, and that's what BACC Academy taught us.
And to start the pipeline even earlier, the BACC has also begun immersion programs, developed in cooperation with area colleges and now being sought by colleges across the state. The BACC is moving forward, creating new opportunities for biomedical innovation and leading the way in creating a biotech startup region that attracts businesses and entrepreneurs from our backyard, from across the country, and quite literally from around the world.
The BACC is the most exciting new chapter in Albany Medical College's long and rich history.